Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. An object is moving with velocity. We have the function velocity in here. At t equals to number 0, the object has a position of h equals 8 feet. So now I will show you how to answer. Now we need to find the integration of Vt. Because if we do this integration, we got about ht. So the integration of t squared minus 4t plus 1 dt. So the integration of t squared, we have the formula in here. So we change number 2 into n. So n plus 1, so we have 2 plus 1, and we have number 3. And we have t to the power of 3 over 3. This is about number 1. So we have 4t squared over number 2. This one, we have t, and we put about c. This is about the constant, that's why you have t. Now, the question, at t equal to number 0, the location, that's about 8 feet. So we just put number 0 gone here to find the value of c. When we put number 0, this one you got about 0, 0, and 0. So we just have only c. And we know that they have 8. So c equal to 8. And now we can write the answer. We just put this one in here. And now we need to change capital C into number 8. Now, question number 2. The position of the object at 6 seconds. So we just put about number 6 gone here, here, and here. We can find about h of number 6. You got about 14. So the answer of this one should be about 14 feet. And this one should be about this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Or we can put 4 divided by 2. And you got about number 2 in here. This is the end.